All right, let's dive in. So what exactly is a vector? Well, it's like an arrow that tells us two things: how far to go and in which direction. Here you see points on a graph. Each point can be described by a vector. The vector shows us where to go from the origin to reach that point. Sounds pretty straightforward so far, right? Now, vectors can also help us figure out how far apart 2 points are. We've got 2 vectors here, one in blue, one in orange. And this dotted purple line in between them, that's the distance. The shorter this line, the closer or more similar the points are. It's kind of like measuring how far apart 2 ideas are. But vectors are not just for mapping coordinates. In neural networks, vectors come in handy when we're processing data. Think of these inputs, x1, x2, and x3, as pieces of information we want to analyze. These vectors flow through what's called the hidden layer, which transforms them, almost like filtering out the most important details. The hidden layer helps the network figure out what's most important, eventually leading to the final output. And finally, vectors are super useful when it comes to understanding words. In AI, words like king or queen get turned into vectors. Words that are similar, like king and queen, are placed closer together in this vector space. It's like plotting words in a giant map where their meanings determine their distance from each other. That's a quick dive into vectors in AI. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more content like this.